I've done thousands of researches on the best niches for faceless YouTube channels, and here are my top 5 best niches for faceless YouTube channels that will actually get you a million views, 1,000 subscribers, and thousands of dollars. Next niche that I'll actually be mentioning is personal finance. Like, thousands of faceless YouTube channels have made it big. I've seen thousands of faceless YouTube channels that started from 0 subscriber and are now at 1,000,000 subscriber, all about just telling people on how to make money online without even them showing their face. And let me be real with you, they are not putting much of that work in their videos, but they are making thousands of money. So you may be wondering, okay, how can I actually start making my own personal finance videos? How can I actually start? Well, the first thing I want you to always know that you need to create your own YouTube channel. When you're done creating your YouTube channel, then you go over to stockvideos.com, where you actually get videos which you use your own hand to compile together with CapCut. Then when you're done compiling them together on CapCut, you want to use your voice over those stock videos, and you're only just going to upload it on your YouTube channel with a great thumbnail which you have actually generated from Canva. And that way you just have to sit down and let YouTube upload that video for you, because personal finance is right here on the rank on YouTube, because everybody wants to know how to make money. Everybody want to make money. Nobody loves 9-to-5 jobs any longer. People just want to sit at their comfort home, make money, sleep, wake up, enjoy life. So if you can actually tell people on how to make money legitly, people are actually going to subscribe to your channel. People are always going to come back to your YouTube channel to watch your videos, because they know that, yes, if I watch this video, I'm gonna make money and I'm gonna be rich. So what are you waiting for? You don't really have to show your face. Just go to stock videos, download your own videos, and start. Now the second one that I will be mentioning is very skyrocketing and mind-blowing right now. Like, it's on the top of my list, which is actually storytelling. Everybody loves listening to stories. I love listening to stories. You love listening to stories. And that's so exciting stories, right? And that is why storytelling is a fast rising YouTube niche right now that many people are not looking into. But those who are actually looking into are making tons of dollars. Like, look at these faceless YouTube channels over here. Some started 5 months ago. Some started actually 3 months ago. And if you see their subscribers, they are actually at the 50K subscribers right now, without showing their face, all by just telling you guys stories that are actually enticing and more. So now, if you are wondering, how can you start a storytelling channel? How can I start a storytelling video? Well, I actually made a video on how you can actually make a storytelling video that you may want to check in my videos. Now, so see guys, I'm going to advise you, storytelling is actually something that is rising, that if you start now, you only tell me thank you. I've seen people who have started it and where they are right now. Now the number 3 that I'll be mentioning, but before the number 3, sweetheart, if you actually like this video, if you find this video informative, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Support me by actually liking and dropping a comment in the comment section. Now let's go back to the number 3. Number 3 on my list is actually health. Everybody want to stay healthy. Everybody want to stay healthy so that they can make money, right? So health is actually my number 3. So if you have knowledge about health, if you know you have knowledge about health, you know things that are related to health that can help people in their day-to-day life, make a video about that and see how it's going to actually skyrocket. Now look at the video about hair that I'm actually showing you guys. These videos are actually doing well without showing their face. All they just do is that they give out safety tips that are going to help people into their day-to-day life, that are going to make them stay healthy, and these tips are very great and they are good. So if you're a person that is actually familiar with health, you know a lot about health, you may want to dive into that. So you may be wondering, okay, fine, I have knowledge about health, but how can I get my videos? All you just have to do is get stock videos. I don't know, but I love using stock videos a whole lot. But get stock videos, free stock videos, or free stock pictures that are related to what you are actually saying, that people will love to see. Then you can use that, compile it on CapCut or any editing video app of your choice, and bring it out to YouTube when you're done editing. The number 4, improvement. Like everybody want to improve their life, everybody want to actually have the ability to build themselves, the capability to, you know, be somewhere they have not been. Everybody want to come out of that cave that they feel like they are in, right? So self-improvement videos are doing very well, because if someone watches self-improvement videos, it's going to motivate that person to do more, to do the best he can in his life. It's going to make that person to improve both mentally, both physically, both spiritually. Yes, so that is what self-improvement videos can actually do when people watch it. But self-improvement videos are actually categorized, and I want to bring out a few here. You can do self-improvement videos on the spiritual level. You can do self-improvement videos on the mental level. You can do self-improvement videos on the physical level. And you can do self-improvement level on the emotional way. Now let me break it down. If you want to start a self-improvement video, you can actually specify on the spiritual level, where you tell people on how to build a close relationship with God, tell people about things about God. You know, that is a spiritual self-improvement level, right? Now when it comes to physical self-improvement, is just where you have to educate people about how their appearance matters, their posture, how they talk, how they smile, you know, how to be elegant and stuff, right? That is what we call self-improvement on the physical level. If you have knowledges about this aspect of self-improvement, if you create a YouTube channel now and you start telling people about that, people are going to subscribe. Because see, everybody want to look elegant, everybody want to look good, everybody want to have a good relationship with God, everybody want to stand out, right? So you creating those videos will get people to keep on watching, to keep on clicking the subscribe button, to keep on giving you money. So you get, guys, all you just have to do is know about this, do a deep research, choose the one you want. If you want to go for the spiritual self-development, it's very good. If you want to go for the physical, very good. If you want to go for the mental, you're okay. Just make a research, expand your knowledge, so that when you give the audience, you give them things that are actually authentic and real. For my list that I will be mentioning, that I've actually seen that I'm giving people thousands of views, thousands of subscribers, thousands of money, and I'm making people famous, is actually history videos. History niches are topping the niche. Like those niches are topping it, because in the sense that in the next 5 years, if somebody still watch that video, it's still gonna have an impact on that person. Now, history videos are all about telling people what have happened in the past, things people have not known before, images people have not seen or heard before, different things. Like these are examples of history videos that I'm telling you, ranging from shorts to video format. You know, just history videos. Everybody want to know about what happened before, right? Everybody want to have an idea of, okay, what is the meaning of this, where is it, what happened to it before. Everybody want to know, everybody have that curiosity. So if you can make real and authentic videos about what has happened in the past, either to somebody or to an object or to anything, people will want to know, people will click your subscribe button, and people will watch your videos, because everybody wants to know, everybody like history. Yes, so guys, these are my top 5 best that are very, very thrilling. And one reason why I call it my best is because in the next 10 years, your video are still gonna blow up if people search about these topics. And these topics that I brought out are topics that are what we call the forever topics that doesn't run dry, topics that doesn't lose viewers. You get? So don't forget to support me by hitting the subscribe button, drop in the comment section which of the niches you like to and what you want me to also do in my next video. But for now, bye bye.